What is everyone? This is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the indexes is not running on your Windows device. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting this error basically where it says like indexing is not running, there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing you can do is go to search bar and type in troubleshoot until you see this troubleshoot settings pop up and open up additional troubleshooters. In here, scroll to the bottom. There's a troubleshooter for indexing itself. So you can see over here, search and indexing, and you want to basically run this specific troubleshooter. See if doing this one fixes your issue. If not, we're going to move on to the next step, which is go back to your search bar and type in services, and in here we're going to look for something called W search. So just type in W and look for something called W search. So we're going to try to find it here. Let's see where to find it. 1 second. It's called Windows search. Apologies, Windows search. And here, right here, this is so right click into this, go to properties. In here, so it says W search for the service name. So in here, you want to basically change this from wherever you have it to automatic. So yours might be on manual, disabled, or automatic delay start, and yours might not be running. So start it, and if it is running, stop it and start it again. Once you do this, restart your computer, you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please thumbs up, go on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and then more tutorials out. Peace.